Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to work with files and file folder system on C Sharp. Let's firstly open our Visual Studio. I want to show you my application, utility console. Okay, just give me a second. Okay, it's here. So this is going to be our application. This is not all done yet, but we're going to finish it today. And we're gonna start from scratch. I will explain you guys everything. When we go to program CS, this is our application. Let's right click. Oh no, what did I do? Okay, here we're gonna right click, add new item. Now we are going to say file and folder system. Okay, this is our file and folder system. We're gonna say using system dot. Okay, we're gonna say using system.io. In here we need a string path, but we're gonna say static string path. We're gonna leave it empty because we want our customer, or we want our user to choose a path for himself. For that, I'm going to leave this empty. I need a main function which is going to run the codes. Static main static void main. All we need to say is, why does it get, oh, okay, M is going to be capital. We're gonna open our parentheses. We're gonna say string and args. Okay, this is going to be our main method. I'm also gonna create static void, let's call it choose path. We are going to choose the path here. We're gonna say something like console dot console dot right line. Now we're gonna say right instead of right line. Okay, no. Please enter the path to the folder file. Okay, we want the path to the folder or file. Before that, I want to clear my console first. Console.clear. Now, all we need to do, we are going to print this on the screen, but we want our client to be able to write something and like enter a path that we can use it later. To do that, we're gonna say string. No, we're gonna say just path because we have the string already, equals going to be console dot read line. Okay, this is everything. No. Okay, the next step, we want to check if this path is exist or not. We're gonna say bool exist is equals to directory dot exists. Which directory? We're gonna say path. If our path is exist or not, we're gonna check it. If exist is equals true, else if we can say else, we are going to directory dot create directory path. We're gonna clean the screen, console dot clear. So just for example, I want to open my sketchbook. Let's clear the canvas. Okay. For example, this is my file, right? This is my folder. And this is my application here. For this part, let's start from here. My application is going to ask for the path here, and we want our client to enter a path. So when you open your folder, you can copy this path and paste it right here. This is the path that our client entered. All our application is going to do is here, we have variable called exist, and it is going to be true or false. That's the only thing that it can be. So let's say he entered like C blah 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 and slash blah 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 blah, but this path is wrong. This does not exist in the computer, in the file system. All our application is going to be take this path and create it in our computer. Now we have a choose path method. Now I want to do something like menu for our clients. Okay, I'm going to use while true because I want it to be like running all the time. That's why I need to call while true. I am going to say console dot wait a minute. I think I'm doing something wrong. No, I think it's okay. Yeah, right. Okay, first thing that we are going to do, I'm gonna say 0 exits, then n, we're gonna say 1 to choose the file path, file folder path, and we're gonna say something like 2 here, um to like um show the show files. I'm gonna say 3 for get file folder sizes, and I'm also gonna say no, this is all. Okay, now we have 4 options. If we're gonna say something like that first. I want to say copy it and paste it here. Then I'm gonna say something like option number. Okay, this is it. Now I'm gonna take the option number to do the next step. I'm gonna say integer option convert convert that to integer 32 console dot read line. Okay. We're saying that we are only going to take the numbers. Okay. If option equals 0, yeah, if it is equals to 0, we're gonna say break. Else if option can be equal to 1, all we need to do is call choose no tab. Okay, choose path. Else if option can be equals to 2, else if option can be equals to 3. Let's say our option is equals to 2, right? Okay, here. We're gonna say something like static void show files. I want to change this to 4. Show folders. And this is 3. Okay. Else if option can be equals to 4. Okay, this is our show files. We're gonna show the files only in here. Okay, now um just a minute. Okay, let's say we're gonna check if our path is empty or not. If our path is equals to null, which is empty, else. Okay. Console dot write line no, actually we don't need this. Yeah, we don't need to write anything right now. So I want to do all I want to do is creating something like string. We're gonna call it okay, this is files, right? Yeah, this is files. Yes. So var variable files is equals to directory dot get files, which is path. We're gonna say all of them, and search option is all directories. Here I am going to say for each string file in files console dot write file. Oh, sorry about that. I'm installing Windows 7 to my other computer. I'm gonna come back. Just a minute. Okay. Sorry about that. So all we need to do is writing this code, which is 4 lines, 5 lines. So all we did is we are creating variable named files, and this variable is going to get the directories from our path. Which directories? All the files. We're gonna get the files, sorry. We're gonna get the files from our path. Which files? We're gonna get all of them. Or you can choose like specific files. XLX I think it's how it's yeah, this is the one. Or you can say txt, but I want to get all files, and search option is all directories. I want all of them. Doesn't matter if it is in another folder. I want all of them. So all we did here, we called string named file, and we are trying to get the files in the variable named files. This is how it is going to work. Let me open that again. Okay, let's clear. Let's say my first file name is C D O A B, right? Our variable files is going to get all of them. This is our files. right? What our file is doing with the for each is going every single one of them one after another. But is this all it is doing? No. Our file is going to be equals to the C when it is first started. It is going to get the C and it is going to write it on our screen. It's going to say C. Then it is going to say, okay, I got the first one. Now let's check if there is another one. It is going to go and it's going to see D. It's gonna go back all the way down back here and it's gonna say, oh, I have one more. I'm gonna write it here, D. Gonna go back, A. Gonna go back, B. And then he's gonna say, it's going to say again, is there anything else left? Gonna go and it is going to check. Is there anything after B? No. So I have nothing to do. So I'm gonna go back to sleep mode. It is all. I hope it is clear for you guys. Okay, this is all for our show file. Let's go here and say okay. Yeah. Show files. Wait, is it 2? Yeah. Show files. Our show folders is not going to be very different. All we need to do is change the name to show folders, call it string folder. Oh no, folder, not folder. Folders. Folders. Folder. We're gonna change some things. Get directories from path, all the directories and folder. Okay, this is it. If it is empty, we're gonna say choose path. I want to do the same thing for here. Okay. The next step is show folders. Show folders. As you can see, it is ready. Wait a minute. Okay, this is more confusing. Number 4. It is kind of little different, but it is still easy one. Here, I want to crack my back, it hurts. I am going to copy this again, like whole thing. And I'm gonna call it something like get sizes, maybe. Get sizes. Okay, if this is not empty, we're gonna do this, and war files, and we're gonna say something like equals to gets directory. Sorry. Actually, we can copy this exactly and how it is, and paste it right here. Okay, I'm going to say something like here. I'm gonna say var info is equals to new new file info. Wait a minute. Is it going to be in for each? Yeah. Info. New file info file. We're gonna get the information of this file. Console dot write line. No. We're gonna say oh, here, not this one. We're gonna say path dot get full name of the file. Then we're going to say something like that. We can get info dot length, and I just want to do something here. Info. I'm just curious what else we can get. Info dots. Copy to create, delete, no, access. Okay, nothing else. Okay, this is for our files. And we can do something like that. Instead of this, I'm gonna say file sizes here and folder sizes here. I'm gonna copy it here. String files folders folder and folder. And else if option is equals to 5, R is get sizes of files, get sizes of folders. Okay, let's see if our application is completed or not. 126 codes, lines of codes here. Okay, let's run this one. I think it's going to run this instead. Okay, delete. Okay, the 0 is exit, 1 is choose file, folder path, 2 is show files, 3 is show folders. Okay, I'm gonna delete this, fix this. Let's check our 0 first. Okay, it's done. We're gonna fix some things here with that, and let's run it again. Okay, let's choose file or folder path. I have classes folder here, which is on my desktop. Let's go to my classes. Let's copy it. Let's paste it. Okay. Our paths exist. Let's show files. Okay, what is our mistake here? Because we said right instead of right line. That's the big mistake here. Now, let's try. Let's go to show files. Oh, okay. Did you see that? I said 2, which is show files. It went to show files and saw that path is equals to null. When path is equals to null, it has to run this method first. Choose path, which is this one. We're gonna choose our path. Let's try again. Option 2. Okay, we got some bugs here. And console dot clear. We're gonna paste. Oh. What I copied is this one. That's why. I thought it was the path still, but no. Okay, let's go and choose. Okay. I'm gonna go into the show files. Okay, it's here. All my files. It's docs, it's PNG, it's zip, chapter 16 txt, like all of them here. I am going to say show folders instead. All my folders and their names here. Let's go and show get file sizes. Their names and sizes are here. Get the folder sizes. My folders and their sizes. Actually, we got a mistake here. Gets folder sizes. Gets directories instead, right? And I want it to clear my console screen whenever it runs this again. Each time it runs this code again. Let's go and choose our path. Let's go for 5 again. New details. Try. I'm gonna do something like that. Catch system dot io dot file not found exception. Just do nothing here. I just wanted to try. Okay, it's not going to give us error anymore. I guess we can only take our files, length of our files, not the folders. Am I missing something? String folders. What about I call it variable instead? Let's choose. No. It doesn't do anything. Did I write this to wrong place? Yes, I did. No, not again. Okay. Here. I guess we can't do it. Yeah, we cannot do that, so we are going to delete this. I thought we could do it. I don't know if there's a way to do it. Yeah, this is it. This is how you manage your files. You can also copy a file to another folder to another folder. Like you can move files, folders. But I'm not going to show you guys these in this episode. Thank you for watching again. Take care of yourself. Have a great day. Be safe.